Good Sunday afternoon, family. It's 3:10 p.m. and I had taken a video. I'm gonna call this part two of the flood aftermath. This is part two. I took a video at 7:10 this morning, just showing how much water it was out here. I really last night, well, around 1 o'clock in the night when I was looking around outside, I couldn't take a video because it was just pouring down, and it was just water was just everywhere. Water was everywhere. So this is 3:10 Sunday evening. It's going down tremendously. What this thing? Hold on. Oh, I'm sorry. Excuse me. All right, we're going to the back. My my septic system is still pumping out a lot of water. It's supposed to rain again. Let me see. I need to get a bungee cord and cover up cover the top part of this thing here. The wind blew off the handle. Just trying to fix the cover. Where to cover it? Okay, I want you all to look at my garden. Just kind of looking around, make sure I don't see no snake right up on me. Wouldn't be cute. And so my garden is ruined. I can really say goodbye to it. Look at the tomato plant. That cabbage, Brussels sprouts, ruined. Look at that. Septic system. The road was just flooded out really, really bad. I'm going to tell you what I was thinking about doing, coming out here and pulling up my greens. Whatever left of this here, I was thinking about coming and pulling these up. Yeah, I don't know. Like the bugs just really been, no, the bugs have taken over. So my greens, my garden is gone. It's just gone. I'm not even going to, I can go get some buckets and try to replant stuff, especially my asparagus. Oh, Jesus, I didn't want my asparagus. Not asparagus, my Brussels sprouts. This is where the noise is coming from. All of that was flooded. I mean, everything was just flooded. The garden was just over flooded. I'm gonna let the bugs have that since they've already been invited themselves to it. Don't worry about it. I'll just go to that little farmer's market like I had been going. And I didn't cover my what is that thing like that? My wheelbarrow. I didn't cover it, and I do have some tarps. Sorry about the noise. Here we go. There we go. There's some area of this video, of this screen that I touch, and it'll bring that, make it out of focus. So all of this was flooded. This whole driveway was flooded last night. About 1 o'clock last night, the whole driveway was flooded. And the road leaving out of my property, just maybe 200 feet up. Not even 200, maybe 150 feet away from my driveway. The road was flooded all across from one side to the other. Y'all, snakes are still very much so out. They're still just, Remember I tried to make that trench. And it stopped it right here. I would have kept on going. I'd had a little trench running out. But no, I had to stop because I was tired. And didn't go back to it. So I'm headed to my driveway to see how much of the water on the road has gone down. Y'all, I've been I guess I know I had to be up to about 2 o'clock last night. Couldn't sleep. The rain was just pouring pretty strong. Get this out of the driveway. So I thought I heard a tree fall. I got a tree that's going to come down in a moment. I got a couple of them that's going to come down. Now this big one right here, let me turn the camera around. It's leaning. See this one here? That's going to come down sooner or later. It's been leaning for a while. Huh. I'm kind of blue. And my brother, he was out. My sister, she tried to get out. She couldn't go anywhere this morning. And I know I wanted to go in town, but I wasn't going in town because of the water. Okay, it's down. Okay, all right, it's down. It's down. I can go in town now. See? All that was, it was just flooded way, all this here was flooded way, way, way back. Shoot, goddamn, put it. You know, I put spray on my hand, that damn mosquito just hit my hand. All this here was high, high waters. It was way up high. So, like I say, the whole road, this whole road was flooded. Up to about right here, it was, I didn't go too far down. So now it's, this ditch here, it was flooded. Let me see if I'm pointing the thing the right way. Yeah, it was flooded. So it was flooded way, way, way down the road. The whole road was flooded out. You see where the leaves at right there? It was kind of flooded a little around. Thought about back in this area this morning. I mean, the whole road was just covered with water. Now we can pass through. And that was at 7:10. No, at 7:22 this morning when I took a video, 7:22 this morning. And this is going to be part 2. And this is what my water is pumping out here with my septic system making all that noise. Well, there it goes right there, the pipe. Just pushing that water from the ground to the ditch. Okay, now if I want to go in town, I can go now. I hope ain't no mosquito got in my darn shirt. Shiggity. Ain't something just trying to, something just biting the heck out of me. Yep, no trespassing sign, private property. I got that for a reason. Stranger danger. I'm hoping that this thing give me, that the rain stop enough time for me to come in. I probably won't cut anything here. Yeah, my magnolia tree died, but a little tree coming up. Look like it finally fell off. Fell, did it? I guess that's it. Okay, that's the magnolia right there. But a little bitty one's coming up. That guy burnt my tree the other year. And I told him I had been looking for a magnolia tree. I had finally found one in the front of the property. And he messed around in and burnt that tree and killed my tree. And I'm like, that's the only magnolia tree that I found on the property. And yeah. Yeah, it's the branches there. You can look at the couple of branches where they look. But it did start growing a little bitty one. But I love magnolia trees. And what I'm trying to do is find a place. I got a holly. I have plenty of hollies out here. And those lights, they light up at night. They be lit up all the way down there. So at nighttime when I come in at night, I don't get off, but whenever I do, all that is lit up. Well, the road is dry and they are passable now. I don't know if I'm going to town, but you see the road is dry, it's good. My driveway didn't do too bad. This morning when I got up 17, I didn't have a lot of water. So you usually have water like settling right there on the side from right here on the side when it rained a lot. But it did. It was okay this morning. Wasn't flooded over at all. And one thing about having, trying to build off of raw land, it costs money. I mean, everything costs so much money. You know, I enjoy making change because I really made a lot of change because all this was woods everywhere where my house is. All this was just completely wooded area. Come on, what is? Okay, sorry about that. All of this was complete woods. Woods, nothing but woods. I had no driveway. We had to bring in a culvert in. Didn't have a driveway or anything. So all of this was woods. And I really don't know how much is actually cleared. I guess maybe an acre. This is an acre, and I have 3.55. But I'm not going to clear all that out. That's not going to happen. There's too much work. I love having trees around. So I'm not going to do none of that. That's what my brother sound like. It's full bill. Yep, look like I'm not going to have a garden. But the looks of it, because it keep raining like this. Look at my walkway. It's nice. I'm proud of it. That girl did it by herself, I'm proud of me. Yes. Whew. Oh, man, it smells like fish out here. Where's the fish? Probably crawfish, what I'm smelling. All right, fam, I just wanted to show y'all, a lot of the water has gone down, even right here. A lot of the water has gone down property. And we're supposed to get some more rain. I hope just a small amount. But, yep, it's just a small amount. All right, family, this is Nettie, Simply Journey. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share button. And this is going to be part 2 of the rain aftermath. And y'all, I had my little dinner earlier. Cooked myself some fried shrimps from yesterday. And French fries. I have a salad, but I'm going to eat some salad a little bit later. This should have purified the air in here. This, I think, is it him on the top of that? Yeah. It helps purify the air. All right, family. This is Nettie Simply Journey. I'm not going to keep y'all. Just wanted you all to see the aftermath of the part 2 of the water. The flood has gone down tremendously. And, yep, and my cabin is not in risk of getting flooded out at all. This thing is like, I think, 21 inches from the ground. So, no, it's not. And I don't get water just under the cabin or anything at all. All right, family, this is Nettie Simply Journey. You guys be blessed. Hit the like, subscribe, and share. Hey, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Y'all push, press, and pray. Bye-bye.